Hello guys, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to download and install HP LaserJet Pro CP1525nw color printer in a Windows 10 PC or laptop. It is a very easy and simple process. So let's go to our video. First we check our machine is 32-bit or 64-bit. That is very easy. Go to this PC, right click on this PC, click on the properties. In properties, scroll down and find system type. If system type is 32-bit, that means that machine is 32-bit operating system machine. If system type is 64-bit, that means that machine is 64-bit operating system machine. This machine is 64-bit operating system machine. Close it. Next step is download our printer driver. Go to any web browser that you like. I am going to the Google Chrome and here type LaserJet CP1525nw color printer driver download and hit enter key on your keyboard. Go to the first link, support.hp.com, official website of the HP printer. Open the first link. Here we find our printer website, here we find our printer name, and here we find our operating system. If operating system is not right or bit is not right, then go to choose a different OS. From operating system, select Windows. Version, go to the Windows 10 64-bit, and if Windows 10 32-bit, then go to the Windows 10 32-bit. My machine is 64-bit, so I select 64-bit, click on the update. After that, these page are goes to the refresh and this box are goes to the refresh. After that, scroll down and go to the here driver universal printer driver. Click at here, expand this. Here we find two drivers in PostScript and PCL6. Both are same. Click on any driver that you want. I go with the first driver and click on the download, and it's redirect you to the another page in some time, and sometime it's directly start. Okay, now download is completed. At the top, go to the downloads, click on show in folder, minimize it, and drag this setup file to desktop. Close it. Next step is go to our setup file. This setup file is actually a zip file, and we are going to unzip this zip file. Right click on it, click on the extract files, click on extract files, click on the OK. New folder is created on desktop, double click on it, and here we find our drivers and close it. And we are going to install these drivers manually. That is very easy and simple process. Go to the start, type printers and scanners, click on the printers and scanners. In a printers and scanner top, we find add a printer or scanner. Click on add a printer or scanner and wait for a few seconds, and after a few seconds new option is pop up. Here is the new option. The printer that I want isn't listed. Click on that, close it. Next item is the add a printer. In add a printer, go to the last option, add a local printer or network printer with manual settings. Select last option, click on the next. Here we find existing part is the most IMP part in this installation. Click at here, and if you find HP port .4_001 HP port, HP printer device HP, then select that. If you not find any kind of the HP port, then next option is USB. Select any USB port, USB 001, 002, 003, USB 004. Select any USB port, click on the next. Here we find HyperDisc, click on the HyperDisc, go to the browse, go to the desktop. Here we find our folder, double click on it. Here we find some files. Select any file that you want. Select any file. All files contain same driver. Select any random file that you want. I select this 2 number. You can select any file. Click on open, click on OK. Here we find two drivers, PS and PS with the version number. Select any. HP universal printers are the old style printers. Old style, all printers of the HP or any other printer are support universal printing drivers. So universal printer drivers are for our old printer, and this is an old printer, so select that printer and click on the next. Give any name that you like. I give the printer name. Give any name that you like. I give the printer name. Click on the next. It's installing printer and it's take less than 1 minute. So wait for a few seconds. Our printer is now installed. If you want to share with the network, then last option I don't. So I select do not share this printer. Click on the next. If you want to print a test page, then click on a printer test page or click on a finish. Next option is check our printer is properly installed or not. Go to the start, type printers and scanners and click on the printers and scanners. In a printers and scanner, in a printer list, if you find HP LaserJet, your printer name, that means your printer is properly installed and it's work 110% on your PC or laptop. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.